Hello, this is Akeem here, and I am making a video about the Slenderman series by Marble Hornets, and I'm gonna show you a video that 2D Arc make. It's an account by one of the guys that got possessed or got sick and insane, and he uploaded this video a few months back, and I found something really interesting at the end. Pretty creepy, huh? Well, I'm gonna go into my real camera and show you what I was gonna show you. Hey, it's me again, and I'm gonna show you what shows up at the end, because I remember those noises at the end of the video. They were like spectral sounds, so I decided to try out my phone's spectral viewer, and I found something really weird. So I'm gonna show you the screen of the video, and then I'm gonna show you the spectral viewer on my phone. Today is your last birthday.